Hey y'all, it's your girl Nay. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to do an unboxing haul of this very special order that I got from E.L.F Cosmetics. I really like their skincare line, so I decided to order all of the skincare products that I use on a daily from them, and I just thought, you know, why not share it with you guys. So this is gonna be quick. I'm not gonna make this video too long. I'm just gonna show you guys what I ordered and tell you a little bit about them if I can. So yeah, let's get right into this video. Okay, so I am going to get this video started. So this is the box that I got. It says E.L.F is for every eye, lip, and face. That's what E.L.F stands for. They have these little tab things where you can just like pull it off of. So that's what I'm gonna do. Pull off that tab. Open that up. Okay, so once I get the box open, this is what the inside looks like. It comes with this little furry things for safety of the products that are inside. I really love this packaging. I'm not even gonna lie, like I really love that. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna grab are these eyelashes that I got called Troublemaker. They're faux make lashes, and they look like this. I also got the Bounce Back Jelly Cleanser with Hydrating Coconut. So it's a face wash and it just looks like this. Is this Oil Control Primer Mist. And it just comes in this clear bottle with like a white type design. I'm not sure like what. The Gentle Peeling Exfoliant with Purified Water, Licorice, and Papaya. I love papaya actually. So it comes in a little package like this. This is what it looks like straight out of the package. I think that's like, ooh, this. It comes in a bottle just like this. Okay, so the next thing that I got from the box is the Keep Your Balance Toner with Hydrating Acid, Aloe, and Witch Hazel, and it comes in a bottle like this. It's all dusty. It comes in a bottle like this, and it just looks like that. The Daily Face Cleanser with Purified Water. It leaves my face feeling really smooth and just really rich, and it also adds a little brightness to my skin tone as well. And right before that, I like to use an exfoliating scrub. So I also got the one that they have with Purified Water and Vitamin E. A bigger bottle of the Matte Oil Control Mask with Coral Clay and Tea Tree. Next, I got the Hydrating Primer Serum. So I got the mist, but I also went ahead and got the serum. I am excited to try this. I've never tried it before. A lot of these stuff, besides the daily cleanser and the scrub, I haven't used any of these other products before, and if it makes my skin continue to be as clear as it is, I would highly appreciate that, because my skin has been acting up lately. Okay, the daily hydration moisturizer with Purified Water, jojoba, and vitamin E. It comes in a package like this. I really love this moisturizer. I'm not even gonna lie, this face cream is really good and I really like it. Another eyelash. These I'm so excited to wear. They kind of look like the same as the others, but it's not. Like, and I also got these pore refining regimen kit with tea tree oil. Because lately I've been having a lot of like white spots in my nose, especially in the morning when I wake up to wash my face. I notice that it's like a lot. I don't know if that's buildup, what that's called, but I don't like it. It's annoying. Booster drops. So I got this one. This is the Sun-Kissed Booster Drop. Oh, they gave me a free gift. I got this aqua infused blush and bronzer. This is cute. Let me see what the colors are looking like for real. Because, you know, the picture won't be doing it justice all the time. Ooh, these are pretty. Oh my god, these are pretty. Okay guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this little unboxing haul that I did for you guys featuring E.L.F Cosmetics. If you guys want to see more things like this, definitely let me know in the comments below. I also have a few items that are coming in, so I'm excited to do another haul. I have a Shein haul that I might be doing, and I will catch you in my next video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Before I leave, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. They're all linked in the description box below, as well as in the screens here, so you guys can definitely keep up with me via social media. And I will see you guys in my next video. Ciao.